What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock apps on your iPhone. After heading to your home screen, locate the app you wish to secure. Touch and hold the app icon until the Quick Actions menu shows up. Select Require Face ID, Require Touch ID, or Require Passcode, depending on what's supported on your device. You have two options here: Require Face ID in my case, or Hide and Require Face ID, which will hide the app from your home screen while being secured with Face ID. You'll be able to find the app in your app library. When you tap on the same option again, it will ask you to authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. This will lock the app and require your authentication whenever you try to open it. If you don't see the Require Face ID or similar option, then make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. In your settings, head to the General section and tap on Software Update. Then, install the latest update if one is available to you. To unlock the app, just repeat the same steps, but choose Don't Require Face ID to disable the lock, and then confirm your identity again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.